Hey guys, Ariel Patrice here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello, welcome. So glad to have you. And if you've been here for a little bit before, welcome back and thank you for staying. So this look is a look that I'm going to do for me being a bridesmaid. So I have a wedding coming up. My best friend is getting married in August, and so I have a really weird deal with where I can't let people touch my face and I can't let people touch my hair. And so other bridesmaids might be getting their hair and their makeup done, or just their hair or just their makeup, but I'm going to be doing mine myself. And so I decided to kind of try out different looks, but I think this is the one that I'm going to go with as far as how I'm going to do my makeup as a bridesmaid for her wedding. So if you want to see this look, then go ahead and just continue to watch right here. So for this look, I put this band on my head so it's out of the way. And before I get started with everything, I'm going to go ahead and use one of these makeup remover wipes to just clean my face up a little bit. I don't have anything on it, but it just makes, I've been gone all day, so it just kind of makes my face feel a little bit more fresh, a little bit more clean. So I'll just wipe it off with this before I start. Okay, and now that that is dry, I'm going to go ahead and put my mattifying primer on. Okay guys, next I'm going to use my Aesthetica Contour Series Cream, and I'm going to do this before I put on my actual foundation because I want to kind of color correct around the creases right here, and I get a little bit darker right here. And so this is what this looks like. And here's the inside. So you can kind of see what I'm working with. And so I'm just going to go ahead and use just a little, my black beauty blender to put this color around the darker spots before I go ahead and put in my actual foundation. And the reason I like to do this is because it will hold the actual foundation longer, and since this is for my makeup for me being in this wedding as a bridesmaid, I want it to last all night. And so being able to put this on, not only does it cover those dark spots and it's going to help with the creasing when I have to take a lot of pictures later, but my skin is very oily. And so if I'm able to put this on first and then put my foundation on and then my powder, then it will be able to have that lasting matte finish like I want it to stay in that way. So next, we'll go ahead and use the actual Fit Me Dewy Foundation in the color Coconut. And for this, I'm actually going to go ahead and use this same sponge. And I'm just going to put a little bit on there. Next, I'm going to go in and contour regularly with my Morphe. And put that under my eyes. And then I'm going to go in with my lighter beauty blender and blend that in. And I'm going to set this face with my Midnight banana powder. And while this cake is baking, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Fit Me, the color Dark Profound, which is number 40, and I'm going to go ahead and contour my face without cream. And this is what this looks like. And I'm just going to go ahead and use one of my Morphe brushes. I'm really not sure what this one's called, but this is what I use to contour. And while that is still baking, I kind of finish this contour before I start to blend in everything. I'm going to go ahead and start on my eyes. And so for this look, I'm going to be using my Morphe palette. And this one is the Stunning Vibes 35V. And this is the one I absolutely love that my brother got me. And here are the colors. Absolutely beautiful. And so for this look, we are going to be going with golds, darker golds, and like a smoky kind of eye. Let's use this color, this color, this color, and then see where we go from there. So first we're going to use this color right here, and we're going to use that on the inside of the eyes. And then right after that, I'm all about using the same brush. I don't know if that's code or not, but I'm all about simplicity, and if it works, it works. So let's go ahead and go in with this second color here that we talked about earlier. And we're going to go ahead and put that on the top of the lids and kind of start to blend in with the part on the inside. And then with the same brush, but I'm kind of wiping it off here on my hand, I'm going to go in with that third color that I talked about, and we're going to go ahead and hit that outside, so this color right here, which is kind of like a golden black. I haven't used this color yet, so I guess we'll kind of see how it looks together. But I know I had the idea of doing like kind of a smoky eye for this look, for my bridesmaids look. Obviously this looks cray, so let's go ahead and blend it in with another brush, just the Morphe brush, and we'll blend in that black to kind of blend it in a little bit before we start to add a little bit more color on the top to make it more appealing. And now I'm going to go in with this color and that color, and I'm going to do this color on the inside at the bottom, and then that color on the outside at the bottom. And last but not least, we'll go ahead and use this very light color for the corners of the eyes. Now let's go ahead and wipe this excess off and kind of go through like a little blending stage as well with this Morphe brush right here. So now that I have kind of blended that in a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and contour my nose with this brush. With that Fit Me powder that I had used before for my contour. So this is where we're at so far. Obviously, we're definitely not finished. So next, I'm going to be using my eyebrows. And so for that, I'm going to use my Aesthetica black, in the color black, for my eyebrows today. And like I've said before in my other videos, I'm not very good at eyebrows, but I feel like it does make the look more complete, more uniform, like it's supposed to be there. And so I just go with how my hair grows. So up, 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 up. And then as I get down here, I start to go down. And so here's one eyebrow done, and then here's one not done. And I don't know if y'all can really tell the difference, but I can. So it's enough for me. Okay, guys. So next is eyeliner. So for the bottom liner today, I'm going to use my Alame, and I use this often. If I wear makeup, if anything, I will always wear eyeliner. Even if I'm like, I don't really feel like doing myself up, but I will always wear some type of eyeliner. Even if I want to just wear like light makeup. Now, obviously, like if I'm just days I don't wear makeup, which is most of the time, I don't even wear eyeliner. But sometimes I'm feeling like, big shit, and so I will wear eyeliner. And so this is the Alame, and this comes on super dark. So I'm gonna put this on my bottom eyeline. Whew, okay, so that's done, and wow, sometimes my eyes get really stupid and they start to water while I'm doing that. Does that ever happen to y'all? Like, About to mess up this whole look because of it. Okay, and so for the top eyeliner, I'm going to attempt to do a wing, not with my ballpoint, but with my Aesthetica Jet Black eyeliner. I do not feel like I have control in this, but I feel like this is the best one to use for this type of look. So hopefully, fingers crossed, I don't mess it up. And then next, I'm actually for mascara going to use this brand called Pacifica, and it is the Aquarium Gaze Water Resistant Long Lash. And for the lips, I'm actually going to use two different lip liners without any type of lip gloss or lipstick. And so what I'm using is the New York's Suede's. I'm honestly not sure the name of the colors, but here are what they look like. And so I'm going to use that darker color on the outside of my lips, and then I'm going to use the lighter color on the inside and kind of mix them with my fingers. Okay guys, I lied. I'm going to use another color as well. I'm going to use the NYX in the middle of my lip as well. And this is in the color Abu Dhabi. Beautiful. Last but not least, I am going to use some bronzer. And so this is the Pure Bronze and Brightener palette, and it looks like this. And let me show you the colors inside. And I am going to use this one for bronzer today. Because I want it to be subtle, but I wanted to know that, boom, it's there, you know? So, with my fan brush, you can see how that made that extra shine there. And then, of course, guys, I am going to use my Morphe Misting Setting Mist. And I'm going to just spray that all over my face, and then I will be done. And then, obviously, I'll do my hair, so I'll show y'all how it looks after that. So this is the final look. And so my hair will be like this, and this is the makeup look. So I'll give you a few shots here live, and then I'll put some pictures in of kind of how it looks on camera as well. So yeah, guys, this is my final look. If you liked it, go ahead and like, share, subscribe. As always, it is so good to have you here with me. Like I said before, and I keep saying, I found a new love in my makeup again, and so I'm gonna keep making these videos until, you know, the fun just stops for me. But right now I'm having a good time. I guess if it stops for me, I'll think of other things that bring me in, that are of interest to me and that bring me joy. And I mean, that can be anything. I'm a pretty happy person, so but right now it's makeup. So thank you again for watching, and I love you all, and I appreciate you so much. And I guess I will see you next time. Bye.